Hi, I'm Ray, and this is Gardening Online, and we're in the polytunnel on my allotment. For today, it's grow your own and kitchen garden seed review. We're now at the end of February, and the April editions are in. So we're going to take a look at the seeds, and we're going to have a look and see what they've got free in the magazines this month. So let me show you. So I think we're going to start with Kitchen Garden magazine, and the publishing says 10 free packets of seeds, plus claim your 10 strawberry plants worth £45.65. And on the front here it says how to grow courgettes, celery, potatoes, parsnips and cauliflowers. Pick your produce from your patio, grow courgettes, celery and plums. So we do have quite a batch of seeds in Kitchen Garden, and these were bought from Tesco's this month, and the price of Kitchen Garden is £5.99. So there's loads of new gardeners starting, and an easy way to get a few seeds is to buy these magazines. But we're going to give you a quick look at what seeds we've got. So this is Kitchen Garden magazine, and we've got, well it says 10 packs. So let's have a look and see what we've got. So on the first packet on the front, we've got tomato, and this is Money Maker, and this suggests that we can sow from January right through to April. This is probably one of the most famous and reliable varieties. Heavy yields in medium-sized fruits produced in large trusses of good average flavour, and you get 75 seeds in these packets. We've never done Money Maker, we've always done Gardener's Delight, Alicante, so we might have to give Money Maker a go this year. Not too many tomatoes, as I always do, far too many tomatoes. And the next one we've got is Calabrese, and this is green sprouting. Produces a fine crop of central green heads, followed by a succession of tasty small green spears after the main head has been cut, belonging in the cropping season. So we get 600 seeds in these, and this is from sowing from March to April to May, plant out May to July. So we will be using those as we do like Calabrese. The next one we have is beet leaf, and this is not a true spinach, but used exactly the same way. It does not run to seed in dry conditions and is winter hardy. So we're not a great fan of spinach, and we probably won't do this one. You get 125 seeds in this packet. So that's that one. And another one, there's herbs, and this is basil, and this is classic Italian, a traditional Mediterranean companion to tomato dishes, useful with chicken and essential ingredients in pesto sauce. So we get 750 seeds with these, and these can be sown all year round. And we do get a lot of basil in the free seed magazines, so we have got a lot of basil. The next one is onions, and this is Paris Silverskin, and this looks quite interesting. Nice little round white onions, easy and matures very quickly, easy to grow, quick maturing, small globe onions full of flavour, used in salads or for picking. So these can be sown from February right through to June. So we're going to have a go at these. These will be really good. I love the idea of that. Good source of vitamin C, calcium and iron. I do like them. Paris Silverskin. So the next packet we have on the front, it's got some flowers. It's actually nice to get some flowers. They don't often have flowers in the kitchen garden. But this is Hardy Annuals Tall Cut Flower Mix. Beautiful mixture of hardy annuals, ideal for floral display. So these can be sown from March, April, May, June, and flowers July through to September. So that is good. So we'll be doing that for sure. It'd be nice to get some more flowers on the allotment garden this year. The next packet we have is radish. This is white icicle, a medium long, pure white roots with crisp white flesh and excellent sweet flavour. Stands well before going pithy. Okay, so we got 500 seeds in the white icicle radish. We're not a great fan of radish, but we will do some. Be interesting to see what these grow like. And that's from sowing from March, so this can be on our March list. The next one we have is celery, and this is green Utah. And green Utah is a favourite in America with its bright green stalks, making fair-sized plants. This variety can boast good flavour and a nice crisp. It can be ready for late spring, September onwards. So this can also be sown February, March, April. So we've actually got a few things that we can actually sow March, February, March. So that's a good selection. So that is the Kitchen Garden magazine. And as I say, this is £5.99, and these were bought in Tesco's. Some of the shops do vary what seeds they have, and subscriptions are also different. So this is just based on the Tesco pricing. So on the magazine it says patio pickings, 20 crops for tiny plots, a 4-page special sowing advice to kickstart your season. Get down to earth with broadcaster Terry Walton, and some weekend projects, making a pallet potting bench, that's a good idea, and DIY crop covers. So that would be interesting. It'd be nice to find out if I can quickly find out where the potting table is. That'd be a good. Pots with style, a couple of recipes, growing online. It's a must-have. Here we go. This is a fold-away potting bench. So that's quite handy, step by step, using a pallet. That's actually fold away. That's actually not a bad idea. I quite like that idea, as I'm always looking for ideas to plant out outside. Even now it's really warm in this polytunnel. It's absolutely really warm. This morning it was frosty at 1 degree, and here we have creative covers. So making cloches out of curtains and such like, horticultural fleeces. This is the fruits, the potted plot. So there's a few nice articles in here, and I'll definitely look a plotter of the month, and looking for the growing guides. Courgettes, questions and answers, get growing, how to grow Christmas dinner, got a planning going on there. So anyway, there we go, nothing that sticks out to mind, a few jobs. Well anyway, that's that one, that's Kitchen Garden. The next one we got is Grow Your Own magazine, and this has 10 packs of seeds also, packs worth £43, and you get 6 free tomato Shirley plants. We did try some Shirley, but that was a bit late on in the season and didn't really come to much, but we'll try a bit earlier, and I've actually been sent some seeds to try, so I will do that in another video. So here's our pack of seeds that we got, 10 packs, and a quick look at the magazine. It's best ever tomatoes, chips, ticks and success for your most amazing crops. So we've not actually done our tomatoes yet. We have been holding out until March. Crops in pots, squeeze edibles into tight spaces. Jobs to do now. Grow and save expensive veg can be grown for pennies. But let's have a look at what the seeds we get with Grow Your Own magazine. So as we say, there's 10 seeds, and these were £5.99 and also purchased in Tesco's. So on the front we got money maker, so we got 2 lots of money makers. So gonna have to try some money makers, and we've already read the instructions for indoors and outdoors, which is good that the Thompson & Morgan label says, so that's good. And we've got, I don't know what this is, Calabrese green vegetable. Well, this is a weird, interesting packet from Thompson & Morgan, but it's very basic. Calabrese green vegetable. We've got Calabrese green sprouting. So anyway, this can be sown March to mid-June. Okay, not sure why that packet's like that, but never mind. And we've got some lemon balm. This can be sown March through to May. Flowers are attractive to bees, hence its other name, bee balm. Okay. Oh. Aromatic foliage can be added to teas and soups. We get 250 seeds in this packet, and that's lemon balm. The next one is fennel, and we often get a fennel in the packets of seeds. We don't do fennel, but these can be sown April, May, and we get 90 seeds of fennel. This is a beautiful herb with aniseed scented feathery foliage. Now, I might try it one day. It's not exactly bursting with life. The next one is cabbage, and we've got Primo 11, and this is solid heads ideal for using in raw salads and coleslaw. This can be sown February, March, so it's a good time to be able to sow these now. And the seed fill is 65, so that's quite good, and we can harvest this from July on to October. So a nice solid head on a cabbage primo. The next one we have is salad leaves, and these are fancy summer mix. Add new combinations to your salads, quick growing from 35 days. Ideals in containers and in the patio. You get 125 seeds. So we have got some salad mix, but it's just going really crazy there. But that's going to come out soon, as it's just gone a bit too mad. So fancy summer mix, not one that I've seen in the magazines before. And then we go to some spring onions, and this is Pompeii. Looks very similar to the onions that are round from the Kitchen Garden magazine. But these are rapid growing, succulent silver skin. Delicious addition to salads, stir fries or pickling. Now these can be sown March through to June. So we're getting quite a good selection of things that we can do for March. And they're ideal for containers. There's 75 seeds in this packet. But they're looking really good. They look really nice. I like the look of them. And we've got a cucumber, but it's still a bit early for sowing cucumbers. But on the suggestion here, March, April, early and reliable. Crisp, white, tender flesh, perfect for summer salads. And this is Masterpiece, dark green spiked fruits. It's an early and reliable British selection for outdoor cultivation. So we might try some outdoors. I've never done cucumbers outdoors. I've always done them in the polytunnel, and they do go a bit crazy. but yeah, I will try some outdoors. This variety produces heavy crops of dark green skinned, slightly spined 20 centimetres 8-inch cucumbers. So we'll have a go at that. Maybe I might stick a few in as we're coming into March. We're getting there. We've got some radish, and this is Flamboyant 3, crisp cylindrical roots with a pungent flavour, suitable for indoor or outdoor growing. We get 400 seeds with these, so looks very much like the French breakfast seeds, refreshing flavour. So the last one we got is coriander, and it crops in only 6 weeks, and it's an annual herb that is grown for its seeds or fresh young leaves. Coriander seeds are delicious in cakes. When crushed, add an orangey flavour to meat dishes. So there we go. So that's all the seeds that we have. So lots of herbs with Grow Your Own magazine, and cucumber, tomato, cabbage, salad leaves, maybe the calabrese is about all that's I will probably grow with those. And on the kitchen garden, I'm going to grow calabrese, tomatoes. We saw turnip, I didn't see the turnips. Fennel, well, not celery, radish, flowers, we grow the flowers. And onions, silver skin, basil, beet leaf. So there's a variety of different things, not the same seeds in the same magazines, but there is a variety. But I don't know which is the best one I would choose really. It depends what you want. So that's the options, and I do like the kitchen garden a bit more than the Grow Your Own, as there's more herbs, and we're not a herby allotment. We should do, but we don't. So I think kitchen garden has got a slight edge on the seeds. So anyway, thank you very much, and I hope this is interesting, and I hope you find it useful to what seeds we got with the 2 lots of magazines. So if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe and ring that bell. Get notifications when I post some more videos. And do you get the magazines? And if you get any different seeds, then let me know. It would be interesting. But this is the seeds that we've got for this month, the month of April magazine. So here we go. So thank you very much for now. Cheers.